Welcome to HH Kids Portal.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for bucket.
B for bucket.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for doctor.
D for doctor.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for girl.
G for girl.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for iron.
I for iron.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lamp.
L for lamp.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for nuts.
N for nuts.
O for ox.
O for ox.
P for panda.
P for panda.
Q for coil.
Q for coil.
R for a boat.
R for a boat.
S for snail.
S for snail.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for vase.
V for vase.
W for well.
W for well.
X for xyphase.
X for xyphase.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.